Hey guys, Cord here from CordsElectronicShow. It's been a while since we've done one of these Blu Ray unboxings, but I wanted to do one for the highly anticipated Toy Story 4. I was lucky enough to get this a couple days early before release date here. So what we're going to go over is just a few things regarding the movie, and then the unboxing on this 4K combo pack. The nice part of this is this does feature the 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray, your standard Blu-ray disc, and that also comes with a digital copy. It seems like digital copies are becoming very popular nowadays, and being able to store everything right on one source is pretty convenient. So just want to take advantage of this. Awesome movie if you guys haven't seen it yet. The whole Toy Story franchise has been obviously a huge success. It's hard to believe it's been 9 years since Toy Story 3 came out, but we got a new installment here, if you will, and it's definitely a nice option. So this is pretty cool. It's got kind of almost like a lenticular holographic cover. As you can see, you got the main stars of the movie here. Got a couple new characters for this one this time around. This particular combo pack does feature a few extras, so as you can see, being the 4K, that's 4 times sharper than your traditional HD Blu-ray, which would be 1080p. It's got over an hour of bonus features, which includes deleted scenes, the Toy Stories, and more. And then you can see you can also redeem the digital copy right with Movies Anywhere, which is a great option. You can view it on your iPhone, Xbox, TVs. The smart TVs are really the best option nowadays in my mind. So on the side, you just got the obviously your standard spine artwork there, if that can focus for us. And then on the back here, obviously I have a little synopsis about the movie. You can see another, kind of fancy scene here. Richard Roper, they used to have Ebert and Roper there who did the reviews. He gave it 4 stars, which is quite the, good review as far as that goes. But you can see just some, information about some of the additional add-ons with the Blu-ray. And without further ado, let's open this up and see what we got inside. So same cover. As you can see here, it does have the black casing for the 4K. And we'll open this up, take a look, see what's inside. Other than that, like I said, it's a great opportunity. If you guys aren't into actually just purchasing the video in this whole combo pack, you could buy just the standard digital copy on the TV. Gotta keep this hidden here, but you can see you got your digital copy code, and then you also have just your information regarding the Disney Movie Club. This I guess gives you some opportunities to save some money on some videos and whatnot. You have 4 movies for $1, so obviously it includes with the membership and whatnot, but kind of a cool opportunity if you want to build up the collection. As you can see here on the left hand side, you do have your standard Blu-ray there, and then on the right hand side you have the 4K Blu-ray. So obviously it's got the cool artwork on the discs. Nothing too crazy, but again, it's obviously a great film. You got all your standard characters reprising the roles. Woody and Buzz there. You got Tim Allen and Tom Hanks, and they do a great job. Awesome voice actors, and not too much has changed there. But like I said, if you want to check it out, you can always get on Vudu and the iTunes store, things like that. And other than that, I'd highly recommend it. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you hit that subscribe and like button below, and hopefully we'll see you in the future for some more unboxings. Thanks.